Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV debate.
That stuff.
So she don't want
Cool.
you to be friend with them as if you're in primary school. You shouldn't talk to who she's
I'm
not
not
talking to
personally
sort of
saying
thing.
that, but if you got
And
that from the story, then
yeah, because
you
obviously
understand.
you guys ain't been no long time friend. You lot met where you met, so
Yeah.
it's not like you've
And
got
obviously,
Go ahead.
where I feel like she'll think that my loyalty lies with her because obviously me and her shared a room first, we built our relationship, all of these things. But I didn't get to speak to Shelly and Renee. Do you understand? So when I've now spoken to them and they're actually calm, they're like they have sense, and I was like, wow, these girls are actually not on the fighting thing. So let's do this show. Like, what can we do? Do you understand? She wasn't hearing that. She wasn't on that. She didn't want to do that. She called me fake, tried to get all the girls in the house to turn against me, all of these things. Cool. Long story short, we've had a fight with Goody or whatever. I've backseat. I've somehow come into everyone's good books. I don't really trust it because all of you girls are already ready to come for my head when Valentino said jump. And now you guys are saying, oh, Sam's in the good books. I don't trust it really. Cool. Come back to London now. Valentina, in our house as usual, invited us to come over, all of that stuff. The second time, I don't want to discuss her business, but something was going on with her. So I was like, you know what, let me come to your house, make you some cocktails, make you feel good, Let's make some cocktails. Cool. Gone to her house to make the cocktails now. This is what I'm talking about. This is the night of the video. Gone to her house to make cocktails now. I've come in with bare bags. When I say I bought cocktail set, ice, to drink, the bottles, all of that's everything ready. That needs to go in the kitchen, right?
Yeah, correct.
I've come in, I was like, where's your kitchen so I can put this in? She's like, no, we're going to make the cocktails here. I said, huh? As in your room. I didn't think anything of it because maybe the girl's comfy. You understand? Cool, she's comfy, she's nice. Cool. I said, all right, cool, so I need cups and a spoon. She was like, all right, cool. She's gone, she's come back, and she's come with a fork. She's like, I don't have no spoon because I need to wash up. And
Oh wow.
I didn't have any space in the freezer for the ice because there's no space. Like, she probably has meat and stuff. I just thought, we're making
Weird.
cocktails in your bath, like in your room. This is weird.
Yeah.
I didn't say anything of it at all. Cool. She's on live for the whole time that we're there. That's not a problem. But it's at the same time, sis, I came here to spend time with you, like cocktails, talk about what we're talking
It's
about.
the whole,
And
you know
you're
what it is? It's the whole empty hype on the Instagram she's all about. Oh, I've got friends over. This is how I live. This is what we do. Showing that fake life. You don't go and tidy up your house nor nothing. Yeah.
on that live specifically that day, she was talking about people's parenting. I even feel like she was at me a bit because she was like, I don't like them people that dash off their pitney to their parents and da 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 blah 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 blah. I need to have my pitney. My house is good. All of that stuff.
Well, if your mom's helping you with your child, that's a good thing. You need
My mom and my dad.
Listen, honey, it takes a village to raise a child. It's not just one person. Let me tell you that.
You can't make me so
One
upset for
cannot
my
raise
parents
that
loving my
child
child.
because the grandma will still need to tell that child off at some point and said, listen to your mom. Your mom's the one who's been there for you, wise that, etc. You might get away when you come over here, but you need to listen to your mom. It takes a village to raise a child, yeah? But carry on. Yeah, she's
and
weird.
That's not,
Remember?
it's not my fault that my parents are obsessed with my child. Like, literally obsessed with my child.
That's their baby right now. You're not giving them that. But that's what always happened with grandmas. They haven't got your company anymore because
it's not
you're
even
going out
grandma.
and doing
It's both my parents. My mum and dad are happily married. Thank you. So
yeah,
I
so
don't know
that's
if
what I'm
she's upset
showing you.
about that.
With life, when you get older, your grandkids is your company. That's who's gonna sit and listen to you and talk to you non-stop. So that's a good thing. Carry on. You're not doing nothing wrong there.
Babe, I know this whole thing. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Anyway, so people want to know how I record the thing. So I've gone in the bathroom. I said, no way is this happening. Like, is this? And I said, cool. I've come out of the bathroom, used the toilet. Come out. Something said, T, go and record the video. I said on everything I love, Cutie. Something just said, record it. I'm not
good
that
thing
person.
you did. Yeah.
Thank you. And good thing I did. Something
because
said,
then she came
it.
for you. They're weird like that. Good thing you did.
Something said, record it. I even came up. I left her house because she asked me to stay at her house, by the way, that night. And I said no. She tried to lie to you and
where
all
were
she
you
wants.
gonna go and pee outside?
Like, I don't understand. So I called my boyfriend and I was like, babe, I want to get Valentina stuff for her house. He was like, he's even right across from me in my head, confirmed. He was like, I don't think she's going to take that role, babe. Just stay out of it. So I left it.
Yeah.
See, I'm a girl. I can see that you're going through something. I'm going to help you. I said, I want to come to her house, get some cleaning products, do all of that, buy a new toilet seat. My babe said, she's not going to take that well. And she wouldn't have taken that well.
Yeah, but she shouldn't, because that's a real friend. When you've got a friend that comes over,
They don't know
even
that.
if you've got a dirty plate in your kitchen sink and a friend go in your kitchen and wash the
Wash
plate
it.
or help you vacuum up, whatever, that is a real friend.
She don't used to.
Do you understand?
All her friends have gone to that house, seen that toilet like that. You're talking about it's been there from when you moved in. Babe, how long ago did you move in? Because it wasn't recently.
No, but acid could have got that off. If you go in B&Q, they've got the stuff for scale. That would have taken that off.
That was
You
not
throw
like
that in
that.
your toilet, leave it in there, then scrub it with the brush. It would have taken it off. They've got this scale in B&Q. That is disgusting. The toilet brush is even gone brown. Like there's shit all on it. It's horrible. That is
Like,
a
I
horrible,
can find my
disgusting
granddad's.
sight.
I can find my granddad's poo all in there, bro. The girl has not cleaned that. That's just
Have
anything.
you seen the floor? All them piss mark and stain that's even in there.
There's paint,
Now,
everything. She's talking about the rest of her
exactly.
house is
Who
done up.
goes
The rest of
into
her
a
house is
bath
not
and
done
have
up.
a bath, but there's a whole dirty black line going down and it's not rinsed out, not washed out? That is horrible.
Horrible.
That is
And
pure
the maddest
bacteria
thing is,
germs. Hey, probably I'll Valentino cause blood clot corona. Nobody don't know right now.
the maddest thing is, if she lived like that, and was quiet, it's fine. But it's the fact of how she goes on about other people's life. You're so in everybody's life, talking about everyone's life, and you live that life. You're miserable. She's a bully, number one. She's a big ass blood clot bully. She ain't got no real problem with me. Now she has a problem with me. Because I've given her a reason to. But she never had a problem with me prior. She kept saying, oh, she done this to someone. But what did I do to you? What did I do to you personally, Valentina?
But this is what I
Nothing.
also asked
Me and
her.
that girl
You don't need to do that girl nothing. Me and I had an argument ages ago. I didn't do her nothing when we had that argument. Goody posted old messages. She got in her feelings, and then she's gone to try and argue with me and bring me into something she, Goody, and all these people have. She's weird. You don't need to have a problem. This girl's got a serious mental problem.
No, she
And
does.
I don't know if people don't realize this. She's going through a whole breakdown and she will take it out on other people just randomly. And when you start on there, she will go and cry and make it like it's you.
She's a victim. Yeah. Oh my God.
She plays the victim card hard. Trust me. When you come at
that
her,
you don't know nothing and you're saying everything I've gone through, I know that that's true because literally there was nothing. Me and this girl shared a bed. We was praying together. I take nothing serious. You know, I allowed this girl to throw a bottle at my head. I didn't react to her. Nothing. I even said to her when she was shouting, saying, "Oh, I got something for you, T." I was like, "Can I take you to dinner so we can talk?" I was trying a different avenue. I don't want to fight no more. I don't want to be the rah-rah girl no more. I don't want to do that no more. Genuinely. I wanted to link up with her and do it, but she wants to have all the audience. She loves this audience stuff.
she does. And you know what? Even when I'm talking to her personally. Oh, now I haven't even posted the knickers that you lot took the picture of, because it's not only you that took pictures.
Knickers?
Yeah, there is a picture with dirty knickers and also a stuff that they have taken for Valentino in that bathroom. Her knickers scratches is brown, dotty, still bad. I don't know what under she, but it's still really, really bad. I'm not gonna lie to you, lot. It's really bad. The other pictures I've got is horrible. I just wanted to hear if she was gonna deny it, because I've got the messages. I'm supposed to get involved, dirty girl. When she blood clot bring me involved in her argument, I never know she blood clot bring me involved in anything with her. I'm supposed to.
I just explained to you, she's not my friend. She wasn't my friend.
Well,
are you guys forgetting that this girl tried to get the whole villa to turn on me, and she was lying to them?
Move your blood clot. You know, never know. So the little girl, they want to argue with big man. Move on the blood clot before me run the back over on the little girl segment, please. Yeah? And remember, for respect on the elderly, since seen as you lot want to play victim with this little girl talk.
The fact that she's supposed to be my friend and keeps talking on my child.
More blood clot man than me and bigger cat than when me a blood clot.
The fact that she's meant to be my friend and she keeps talking on my child. Like, you guys are pick and choose what makes sense to you guys. They don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. No, I have a big heart. What do you not understand? I'm not going to tell the girl's business as to why I went there, but she knows that.
Girl, beat your chest. I'm glad you took the video and that's with blood clot.
I didn't even dash it out. It wasn't even me, Cutie. Like,
I know you didn't. I know
I've
you
had this for months.
I know.
No.
I know you didn't. You send it to someone and they send it out. I know, but that's how it is, isn't it? It's karma.
I never messaged her on a burner. Like, you
I'm
guys are
not gonna
all
lie.
make
I
up
remember
with
years ago one girl came on here and she did say Valentina house is really dirty, even with dog shit and all these stuff. Yeah, all these evidence that I got
Do you
today.
guys know how touchy you are? You guys are focused on why I recorded the video, but why are you not focusing on why the bathroom's like that? Like,
Exactly. Don't mind them with no why. They don't know how to say their ABC. Why then Z? Do not chat rubbish. Wonder why is the bathroom like that? Why is it so filthy and dirty? Why do you lot think that is acceptable for Valentino that want to come on here and
Valentino.
cover other people to have a house looking like that?
Well, if it's weird, it's weird, and I'm going to accept that I'm weird, guys. I don't give a fuck. I don't have to explain anything to you guys. Like, you could only live it. People,
Of course I'll show it hard.
thank you, Banks. See, Banks, thank you.
There it is. That's the dirty bath. That's the toilet. That's the face basin and
Yes,
the
that's what I'm
other. That's
saying.
the floor with piss all on it and shit on the brush. This is her bathroom. That's the front
Lady,
door with
I
all
needed to
sorts of
pee,
marks by it too.
so I hovered over the toilet. I did not use the toilet.
Girl, I would have gone outside and pee. You
I
can't pee
needed
in
to
them
pee bad.
toilet
Me and
there.
her, we was drinking cocktails there, like we was drinking cocktails there. But that was it, you know. Like, honestly,
Ask yourself why you should care. Why are you over here listening to it then? She said you put your ashes tray into the toilet. Does this look like ashes tray? You lot are weird.
it's just the fact that
Listen, let me just show you like this toilet again and you look
if your
carefully.
toilet, that's just literally how it
This
is. Like,
is scale.
something told me to record.
This stuck up. This ain't in the bottom of the toilet. Look good. This look like ashes to you. This the bottom, top, side, everywhere.
Oh,
Like
babe, you're
the
talking about me
toilet,
smelling. That's one thing
the
none of the girls
toilet
can say
seats
is
coming
Cam
off.
smell.
Like seriously,
That's one
look
thing.
at this. Look at the state of that.
Come on.
Don't mind Valentina, nasty friend. Them. Any one of you lot are in denial over here and trying to act like this bathroom is acceptable or not just as bad and nasty as Valentino. Go back over there. Go and follow you lot nasty friend. Nasty groups of girl. And then have no shame. All uno, man for run left blood clot uno. Run left blood clot uno. No. That's why no man know what Valentina. She too damn nasty. That's more than lime scale. Shit mark every blood clotting in a them lime scale there. I want if I germs in there. You lot are acting like it's only the toilet. What
You
is
see,
this
I
in
left
the
the
bath? What's
bathroom.
that in the bath? Is
I've
that
come back
lime
in
scale in the
because
bath?
the way she was speaking about
How
the whole
can you
thing
have
on
a
her life.
shower in the bath and you leave the bath like this?
I'll show you
Like,
guys my. Oh, you guys.
no matter
I'll
no
show
grow
you guys my
correctly,
bathroom.
because your mum would have
Don't
told
worry.
you when you use the bath, you rinse back
I'll
out the
show
bath.
you guys
You
my
have a
bathroom.
shower or a bath and leave the bath like this. Nastiness. If it's anything my mum always told me, make sure you're all
Thank
clean.
you.
The
You see,
toothpaste
Sarah,
that's
can we
meant to
just
be
wait?
clean.
Cutie, just
Hang
pin
on,
that,
if you drop
pin
down
that
on
tweet.
this, which one?
The one that said, Valentina keeps talking about people's kids. Why are we defending her? She keeps talking, and that's the thing. She keeps talking about people's kids, and if you respond, she says, "Oh, why are you talking about my trauma? Why are you talking about my trauma?"
Yep. That's
Like,
what she
you
does.
guys,
She
look,
play
Cutie,
victim.
bring up the screenshot. You can see I didn't mention her. I didn't cuss her. I didn't do nothing. She said how my son's disabled. All of these things. Yes, these are facts. What is your point? What is your
Too busy
point?
arguing and life to clean her
Exactly.
toilet
I'm a
and her
very clean.
bathroom.
Anybody that
Exactly.
knows me, look, Tammy is clean. I'm a very bold. No, you see when it comes to the house thing, you can never have done my dance with that. I'm gonna show you
Thank
lot
you.
what I've been doing since Badders. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing. Nothing. Like, honestly, I don't like to boast because I'm gonna block my own blessings. But I'm gonna show you like one thing, one quickly. Let me get home.
Moral
Honestly,
of the story, your mother never grow you good. Because if your mother did grow you good, she would have made you know when you come out the bath, you wash out the bath for one. When you use the toilet, you clean it. You're supposed to know that this killer that's selling B&Q, you're supposed to know about bleach. Your toilet brush needs changing ever so
no.
often.
Eloise, she did. Do you
Everything's
want me to show
dirty
you
in the
guys the screenshot?
bathroom.
Cutie, show the screenshot of her cussing my child, please.
Which one? The message?
Yeah, the messages of today when she wanna come and all of these things.
What, this one?
Where's the bit where I said I know your dance and she's like, no, I know your son's dance, whatever.
I don't think I've got that bit. Stop being dumb. You think anyone is going Manchester at this time? No, I don't think I've got that one. You have to send it to me.
I said I beat
It doesn't
How do
matter
I?
what the girls sleep with. Are
You
all the
lot,
dirty
you
like
guys,
Valentino one. You lot are coming with
guys,
pure drag argument. You lot just go over there and listen to all that chatting. Go tell the girl for clean up her dirty house and come off alive and come
guys.
off her people name. Can nobody not do shit. And that we are talk about.
Just a quick thing,
We
yeah.
are reasoning about dirty
Go,
yard.
go and look at my son's Instagram. Does that look like? I know you can't tell the youth, but does that look like there's any inkling of? Let me just show you like how I raise my child. Do you understand? There's no, like, come on. That boy has never been hit in his life. The boy's skin soft. The
These
first
are
time
the
I hit him
stuff
when he was 2.
Valentino Wu can make up this story and everyone kids. Probably if our mother did pop her blood clot ass, she'd have some manners and respect and come out better. You know, see, Valentino big and clearless like her mama, and that's for each
No. Don't talk about man, please.
No,
We're
me have
leaving
to talk
mums
about
out of
blood
it.
class she. Me have to talk about she, cause when she talk about my
Yes,
family,
she
so me
did.
talk about she. Yes, she did.
No, she did
So
not.
me talk about she.
Are you guys sick? She's been talking about my sons before this video. Like, I'm gonna pull up the receipts when I get home.
Lord God, everyone.
Yes, let it be bad minded. I don't care. I wasn't plugging my child in, so you guys are going to see. Since I beat him and abused him.
The toilet brush dirty, everything dirty about this.
My period pads are all of. This is why you guys check out. I don't even wear period pads. I wear tampons. So next.
Somebody said buy. Someone said buy her the toilet seat. Get her badness.
Next.
Hey, that's what's scary though. As a little girl, no know
As
for
a
clean.
baby
Move your
man.
blood clot, but as a big old man. Damn, that bathroom is crazy.
Oh, I
It's
sleep with my
disgusting.
old man. Oh, cute. At least I sleep with someone. Just because she has no man to sleep with her. That's why. But nobody don't want that frowsy crutches, please.
With friend like Val who need enemies, a good fear. A good fear.
How can you guys
Oh,
be
you know
saying
my
things
face.
like
You know
this?
I'm beautiful, mofo. Get the fuck out of here. I'm a cutie in real life.
What are you guys talking about? London, it's like you know me personally, baby. Are you upset? Like, you're really upset. Like
Anyway,
they're proper vets, you know. But yeah, let me come up alive because the way
yeah, go
my veins
on,
give me
honey.
death
Enjoy
breath.
your meal. Yeah, live your best life, babe.
Val has my postcode. She already has it. Look, she
Listen,
has my
honey,
postcode.
don't mind her. We all know that girl just loves sitting on Instagram and beating up her chest and the pictures on her wall. Don't
She
mind
said
her.
we're just doing toilet questions. Don't worry, guys. I'll come back.
She
Let me
just
go
beats
home.
up her wall. That's all she